Hey cookers! So now I'm going to show you how to make a sunny side up egg. You know, the classic egg that doesn't get turned. We're cooking with Jill. Welcome to my kitchen. You want to make sure that you are using eggs that are cold right out of the refrigerator, not at room temperature. That way the yolks don't cook too fast. Second, you want to use a heavy skillet, like a well-seasoned cast iron skillet, or these Ninja NeverStick skillets. They've got a heavy bottom on them. And with the cast iron skillet and these Ninja skillets, when you put the egg in there, that heavy bottom prevents the skillet from cooling off, and it helps the egg prevent them from sticking and also cook more evenly. I've got this cooker set at 250. Ninja says to let your pans come up to heat thoroughly because that helps prevent your food from sticking. Now, if I was cooking this on my stove back here, I would cook it 4.5, maybe 5, probably 4.5. I prefer to use bacon grease. You need some sort of fat even in these non-stick skillets. But this is avocado oil. Now, avocado oil is nice because it doesn't have a heavy flavor, stands up to the heat well. Olive oil, it's got a real rich flavor. Butter tins of brown, if you don't mind brown butter, and I don't, brown butter is a very good thing to use. But once again, my favorite is bacon grease. So I'm just going to spread this all around here. Make sure the center of this pan is covered well. And then I'll put this egg right here in the middle of the skillet. Just like that. Now that's going to turn out nicely. Your yolk is standing up well. Your egg white is standing up well. A sunny side egg, the whites are almost completely done, but you never turn the egg, so that's why they call it sunny side up. The egg white doesn't have to be cooked all the way, but you do want it cooked most of the way through. You can see here that it's cooked along these edges all the way through, but it's still a little runny here. Some people would eat that, some people won't. I saw sunny side up eggs frequently served just like this, but I'm going to let this cook just a little more. Okay, so that's been about a minute more. These egg whites are almost completely cooked. Let's take this up. Yeah. See, I properly heated skillet. That thing just slipped right out of there. So that is a beautiful sunny side up egg.